The Suzuki RE5 is the only motorbike with a rotary or Wankel engine that is mass-produced in Japan. It is powered by a 497 cubic centimeters NSU Wankel rotary engine, which produces a power output of 62.8 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Other Japanese motorbike manufacturers previously also had prototypes of rotary engine motorbikes, but only Suzuki dared to mass-produce this motorbike. The basic design of the rotary engine itself was created in 1924 by Professor Felix Wankel, but it was not until 1957 that a working prototype of this unique engine was developed by NSU in Germany. The main advantages of this design are the lack of vibration, a wider power band and a higher power-to-weight ratio than conventional reciprocating piston engine motorcycles. Apart from Suzuki, other manufacturers also experimented with rotary engines, such as the Van Veen OCR 1000 from the Netherlands, the DKW/Hercules W2000 from Germany, and the Norton Classic Limited Edition made in England in 1988. The Suzuki RE5 was launched at the Tokyo Motorcycle Show in 1973 and was produced between 1974 and 1976. There were two production models of the RE5, the 1975M model and the 1976A model, which adopted more conventional styling. Many models were converted to M models. Key changes for 1976 included color changes, a GT750 style instrument panel, blinkers, taillights, and headlight housings. By the end of its production run, a total of around 6,000 RE5s had been produced. Despite extensive research and development by Suzuki engineers, the rotary-engined RE5 proved to be more fuel-intensive and with high combustion temperatures. This motorbike struggled to meet new emissions standards. RE5 was finally euthanized due to poor public acceptance of this rotary engine technology. This motorbike itself has a top speed of 179 kilometers per hour. Designed as a comfortable touring machine, it was never intended to challenge other Japanese superbikes with their high power-to-weight ratio.